The European Council for Fatwa and Research is made of a great number of scholars, and these scholars are based all over Europe. They basically meet to discuss issues pertinent to Muslim existence in Europe. They can prove that their answers are correct. They provide Islamic theological authority. And if there is no recognized authority to answer people's questions, the matter will be left for amateurs. And if amateurs intervene, then the problem will happen because they don't have understanding. They basically know one line of the book, and then they will base the rule on the basis of that line, and here the crisis will happen. It casts huge doubt on the existence of individuals who are having any radical thinking. We would not allow any idea of this nature to be expressed on our premises here. And everybody knows that. Everybody knows that. And hence, I don't think if somebody is having this kind of thinking, I don't think they would frequent our place. Or maybe they won't be talking about it on our premises. I would classify a lot of things as Islamophobia. The people ask us questions, and when we answer the questions, if it is the answer that they want, then that's it. If the answer that they don't want, then they don't believe us. You see, I think it puts us in a very difficult situation. It makes us feel that we have been victimized. In here we are having the Quranic school, which is the biggest primary school in Ireland. It is attended by approximately 850 children. And these children, we teach them the Quran, but we also teach them our understanding of Islam. You see? And that's again to keep or to help them have a well-balanced approach when they are thinking of their religion and the country that they are living in. A non-healthy environment where radicalization may flourish is a place where there is no equality, a place where oppression prevails, a place where scholars are not given platforms and others are given platforms to distort people's images. I don't think any of these conditions is met in Ireland